If you're listening to this, then welcome to the future. The future you is going to thank you a ton by getting this little AutoCast. This little AutoCast takes any CarPlay or Android Auto and brings it into the future. What I mean by that is you can take this cable and get rid of it. You know the cable that you plug into your phone every time you sit down? You know the cable that gets in the way of your drinks? You know the cable that when you leave your phone in the car and you walk in, you're like, where's my phone? Oh yeah, I left it in the car. Well, guys, this little thing solves that. If you have Android Auto or CarPlay, this thing makes it wirelessly so you can ditch the wire and welcome to the future. Now, let me show you how it works. A lot of these casters out here, majority of them will only do CarPlay. So you want to be very careful when you're looking at one of these. This one right here solves that problem. If you have Android Auto or CarPlay, it will do both of them. Plus, they give you a little attachment if you want to plug it, if you have a USB-C slot. Or obviously it's going to go into USB-A, but the thing that I actually really like about this one is it gives you a 90-degree elbow right here. So if you have that and you want to stick that into your glove box, which is usually where I put this. And so, but we're going to show it right here and it just blinks red. And as soon as it connects, come up here to the screen, you press more, hit continue. It's searching. You're going to sync it to your phone. Again, I have Android Auto. So you're going to come over here, go to your Bluetooth, find this one right here, which is Car2AC one. We're pairing, hit the pair button, and just like that, it paired. And you're good to go, right? It works. It's wirelessly connected. You don't have no wires here. So you can leave your phone in your pocket if you're just going for a short ride and you don't need to charge your phone. I can't tell you how many times that I've left my phone in the truck and said, where's my phone? And like, oh yeah, it's still connected to the truck. So don't be like me and grab yourself one of these AutoCasts today. And again, welcome to the future. Give your future self a hug.